Drowning in paperwork just thinking about adding another employee to your payroll? Relax, because today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add an employee to Gusto, making payroll a breeze. First, log into your Gusto account. Once you're in, navigate to the People tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Give it a click. On the People page, you will see a blue Add Employee button, usually in the upper right corner. Click on that button. Now you'll be prompted to enter the new employee's information. Start with their first name, last name, and email address. This email is important because Gusto will use it to send the employee an invitation to set up their profile. Next, enter their start date. Scroll down to the Job and Pay section here. Enter the employee's job title, the department they'll be working in, and their pay rate. You can choose between an annual salary or an hourly rate. Almost there. Now it's time for taxes. Gusto will guide your employee to fill out the required tax forms, like the W-4. Make sure they complete this accurately so their taxes are properly withheld. Finally, under bank account, you have a choice. You can either enter the employee's bank account information yourself if you have it, or send them an invitation to do so securely. I highly recommend sending the invite. Review all the information you've entered one last time. If everything looks good, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! You've successfully added an employee to Gusto. Now you can relax knowing that your payroll is in good hands. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Gusto tips and tricks.